How to delete an Instagram story. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete an Instagram story. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is of course post a story. So let's do that here. Now I'll just take a random picture here and then add it to my story. So let me just add a sticker as well. So I'll just add this time and then post it to my story. Now, deleting an Instagram story is really easy. You can delete it instantly and right after it uploads. Now, even if it is not upload, you can simply tap on the three dots on the bottom right and then cancel the upload. You can cancel the upload and it'll just go away. Now, after you've uploaded the story completely, if you just open it up, you can now delete it there as well. Tap on the three dots on the bottom right and then you'll see two options. One is to archive it, the other is delete it. You can archive it and it will just get removed from your story, but it will still get saved on your device. So you can do that as well. Or if you want to delete it permanently, tap on the delete story option and then tap on delete. As you can see right here, you can restore your unarchived stories for 24 hours or 30 days for archived ones. So tap on delete and it should get deleted, as you can see right there. Now there we go. That is how you can delete an Instagram story. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.